beautiful people, welcome back to Glow with Madhu. If you are new here, I am Madhu Bala and on this channel, we talk about skincare, makeup and healthy lifestyle to help you feel confident and radiant every day. This video is super important because sometimes we unknowingly make mistakes that can hold us back from achieving that glowing and radiant skin that we all want. I know, I have been there. So whether you are just starting out with skincare or looking to refine your routine, make sure to stick around. We are going to talk about 5 common skincare mistakes and of course, how to avoid them for the best results. Grab a drink, get comfy and let's dive into these tips to get that glow on. Mistake number 1 is over cleansing. Sometimes we think the more we wash our face, the cleaner it gets. But nah, that's not true. Over cleansing can strip away natural oils, leaving our skin feeling dry and irritated. Even I personally used to wash my face a lot many times a day. But now, being part of super dry skin family, I have changed my routine. I only use a cleanser at night and in the morning I use a cleansing oil to keep my skin hydrated and happy. Try to stick to cleansing just twice a day, morning and night. Choose a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, especially if you have dry skin like me. Tip number 2, and this is very common. हम में से बहुत लोग जब घर पे होते हैं सनस्क्रीन लगाना भूल जाते हैं या स्किप कर देते हैं, thinking that we are safe from the sun. But did you know that UV rays can still penetrate through windows? Make it a habit to wear sunscreen every day, whether you are inside or out.
Even when you are driving or sitting by a window, your skin is exposed. Trust me, adding this extra step to your morning routine is totally worth it. Look for a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Don't forget to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. And yes, even in winters, sunscreen is non-negotiable if you want to maintain youthful and glowing skin.
And not just for your face, your lips need SPF too. Always choose lip balm with SPF for full protection. Mistake number 3 is using products in the wrong order.
You might be using all right ingredients but not seeing results because you are applying them incorrectly. The rule of thumb is to start with lighter products like serums and finish with heavier ones like moisturizers. For example, after cleansing, I use a toner to balance my skin's pH, then I apply my active serums like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid. Next, I lock everything in with a good moisturizer. If I am feeling extra fancy, I might use a facial oil at night to seal everything. This order helps your skin absorb each product effectively. Think of it as a layering your clothes in winter. You would not put a thin t-shirt over a thick jacket, right? The same principle applies to your skincare routine.
Mistake number 4, neglecting your neck area.
Okay, who's guilty of this one? We all spend so much time on our face but forget about our neck. But did you know the skin on your neck is just as delicate and prone to aging as the skin on your face? Make sure to apply your serums, moisturizers and especially sunscreen down your neck. When I do my skincare routine, I always use upward strokes on my neck to help with lymphatic drainage and prevent sagging. Think of your neck as an extension of your face. And a quick tip, if you have any leftover product on your hands, rub it into the back of your hands to keep them youthful too.
And lastly, trying too many products at once. I know how tempting it is with so many new launches, but switching product constantly can irritate your skin. Introduce new product gradually, one at a time. This way you can see what actually works for your skin without overwhelming it.
Overloading your skin can lead to irritation, breakouts, or even damage your moisture barrier. Introduce one product at a time and give it at least 2 weeks to see how your skin responds. Keep a skincare diary if needed to track progress. And don't forget to patch test. This simple step can save you from potential allergic reactions. Trust me, being patient is worth it in long run.
So those are the top 5 skincare mistakes to avoid for glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key. Taking small steps every day will make a big difference in your skincare journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. If you like this video and want to know more such mistakes, do let me know in the comment section. I will make the part 2 of this video. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.